In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create journal in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete a clean, balanced manual journal that updates your accounts instantly and accurately. Start by opening Xero and making sure you're on the main dashboard of the organization you want to work in. You'll need permission to create journals, so if you don't see the options I mention, check with your administrator. It also helps to confirm the correct financial period is open so you can post to the date you intend. From the dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the plus icon. This is the quick create menu that lets you start common tasks from anywhere. Click the plus icon to open the list. If your window is small, you might need to maximize your browser or scroll a bit to spot it. If you still can't see it, it's often a permissions or role issue. In the Quick Create menu, choose Manual Journal. This takes you straight to the journal entry form, where you can record adjustments such as accruals, prepayments, corrections, or period-end entries. Use this when there isn't a source document like a bill or invoice, but you still need to move amounts between accounts. Now, complete the journal details. Select the journal date carefully. This controls which reporting period the entry affects. Add a description or narration that clearly explains the purpose of the entry and include a reference if you use a consistent naming convention. Clear descriptions make reviews, audits, and future troubleshooting much easier. Enter your journal lines by choosing the relevant accounts, adding a helpful line description, and filling in the debit and credit amounts. Make sure the total debits equal the total credits before posting. Xero won't let you post an unbalanced journal. If tax applies for your region and setup, choose the appropriate tax rate on each line so your reports reflect the correct treatment. If you track by departments, locations, or projects, select the right tracking categories on each line as well. Add as many lines as you need to complete the adjustment, and consider attaching supporting files like calculations or approvals to keep everything documented in one place. Before posting, review the date, accounts, amounts, tax treatment, and any tracking to avoid rework. If you're waiting for a review, save it as a draft. Otherwise, click Post to finalize the entry. Once posted, the journal updates your reports immediately and is available to view or edit subject to your organization's permissions and lock dates. That's all you need to create a manual journal in Xero confidently and correctly.